Welcome to our video, where we'll be unleashing the secrets of Google's algorithm to help you improve your website's ranking today. Let's get started. When you search for a keyword on Google, have you ever wondered how the search engine decides which websites to display first? It's all about the algorithm, and understanding how it works is key to improving your website's search engine ranking. Google uses a complex algorithm that takes into account hundreds of different factors when ranking websites. From the quality of your content to the number of backlinks pointing to your site, there are many factors that can affect your ranking. By understanding these factors and optimizing your website accordingly, you can improve your chances of appearing at the top of the search results page. So how can you optimize your website to improve your search engine ranking? Here are a few tips to get you started. Focus on quality content. Google prioritizes websites that provide value to users. By creating high-quality content that's informative, engaging, and well-written, you can improve your website's ranking. Optimize your website for keywords. By including relevant keywords in your content and metadata, you can help Google understand what your website is about. Build backlinks. Backlinks are a key factor in Google's algorithm. By building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites, you can improve your website's authority and ranking. Finally, it's important to track your website's performance so you can see how it's ranking and make adjustments as needed. There are many tools available that can help you track your website's ranking and monitor your progress over time. That's it for today's video on unleashing the secrets of Google's algorithm. By understanding how the algorithm works and optimizing your website accordingly, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Guardians of IT for more great content.